Cameras have come a long way. Cameras are now telephones. See the camera? The question is, should you take pictures when you're engaged or involved in an accident? Let's find out next. Welcome to Attorney911, the podcast, with attorney Ralph Manginello. Let's get some answers to the most asked questions. We break down the legal issues and provide expert advice to help you navigate life's legal challenges. You might even call us your first responder to a legal emergency. Up next, real-world cases, valuable insights, and practical tips you can use today. It's time to get smart like a lawyer. I think it's really interesting the way technology has evolved, where we now have a camera on our phones, a very good camera on our phones. But do people always take advantage of taking pictures if something, an accident, a trip, something? What do you see, Ralph, with this technology coming?
We, at Attorney911 are preaching all the time, take pictures, take pictures, take pictures, take more pictures than you think you need to. And what's surprising is, even though seems like everyone has, a phone with a camera on it, not everyone takes pictures. And so it's super important to document everything. You want to take pictures in a car collision case. You want to take pictures of both vehicles, any and all damage. Take pictures of the surroundings. If you have a street sign that's there, at stoplights, anything around there that you think is going to be important, even if, for example, there's the way the exit, if you're on a feeder road and the way the exit comes off, and if it's a short distance from there to the light or long or whatever may have contributed to the collision, you want to document with pictures. And pictures are going to tell the story, help your lawyer tell your story. You want to take pictures of your injuries, if you have any bruising, any scrapes, any cuts. If for God forbid, you're in the hospital, have someone take a picture of you in the hospital bed. If you have a cast, you want a picture of the cast. And then, or scarring, we always encourage our clients to continue taking pictures also as you heal up. And so let's say, for example, we've had plenty of dog bite cases over the years, but the dog bite injuries on the day of, when the person's at the hospital, are pretty gruesome, and then they start to heal up. So 2 weeks later, there may be scabs. 2 weeks after that, and the scabs are gone, and there's some scarring. 2 weeks after that, the scars are starting to heal up. And so if we can have that documentation, it would help the lawyer tell the story. And so pictures are super important. And unfortunately, if it's a really bad collision with severe injuries, it's very understandable that the person would not be able to take pictures because they just physically can't. And in those circumstances, it just is what it is. And we have to recreate the scene and what happened from other means. But yes, super important. Take pictures, take lots of pictures.
You just learned something new. Attorney911, the podcast, with attorney Ralph Manginello. We hope you found today's conversation insightful and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the show so you'll never miss an episode, and share it with family and friends who might benefit from the things we talk about. A new podcast launches every week. That means you get more legal tips, real-life cases, and expert advice. This is Attorney911, the podcast.